Alright, well, hello YouTube. Alright, I'm gonna do a food check and a bite check. Right now I'm currently eating hamburger helper. It's pretty good. Alright, well. Yeah, I never did one of these shits before. Alright. Let's start off with the front. Got some shitty ass fucking Sunday grips. Not bad after you break them in, but they fucking hurt your hands. Got Shadow Voltus bars. Don't know what rise. But they're 29 width. Animal Jump Off Remix Stem in purple. Pretty solid. Strip one of the both. What is it? The Make. I got the Make frame. I don't know which one. Got a Colt headset for free.
JPR Cycles.
Got the Verde cartel forks.
They were black, but this kid brought them.
Little holes.
I just recently got G Sport laced to a G Sport. Fucking boss. I would do a review on them, but you know, I haven't rode these shit yet because it's been raining. Got a Colt D-Heart tire in the front. Yeah.
Hella dirty.
Bald.
Like how you.
Got Animal Nigel seat. Brick hard.
Brick hard.
Just how I like it. It's like that. Animal seat post in purple. Yellow wristband thingy. Got Shadow chain in multicolor. Custom. Don't hate bitches. Got Shadow Scream sprocket in copper. What was the bottom bracket? Was it profile? I got profile bottom bracket.
It's chrome.
Yeah, chrome. I got Madera protocol cranks. And a G Sport ratchet back up next to a G Sport roll cage. I'll do a queef sound. You know how loud that is, niggas? And I'll show you, I have a pink tire in the back, and I'll show you what I was previously riding. I'll be back.
He also got shadow pedals.
I had to put shadow pedals. I have Animal MK3 pegs. I took them off.
He needs to kill himself.
Alright, bet. I was originally riding Alienation Deviant laced to a Demolition hub in chrome, more polished.
I'm getting it.
Yeah, I'll think about it. And I had a Shadow. I think it needed bearings laced to a proper. Kind of wobbly. And it's pretty weird. Don't even gotta hold the driver. That's how you know it's fucked up. And soon we'll be coming out with a video. Thank you. By the way, eat hamburger helper. It's good for you.
Where's the hamburger?
Finished it.
He ate it all.